we can master a subject just by highlighting, all of us will be a PhD right now. Should I say this or should I not? After hours of studying, you won't be having an empty mind.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessings coming my way, and I say thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 major mistakes in studying Sejarah, but worry not, they will be followed by 5 simple steps to score A+ in Sejarah. So just bear with me and let's get A+ together. Peace. The first mistake is you thought you are learning when you are highlighting, which is completely not true. This is shown by a research that shows that the people in passive learning environment tend to think themselves learn more. Let's think about it. If we can master a subject just by highlighting, all of us will be a PhD right now. Don't get me wrong, I love highlighting as well, but I always remind myself that highlight doesn't help much in learning, and I do really need some extra efforts to memorize the points. The main reason we highlight is for the sake of next reading, we can go straight to the point to memorize the important stuff. Should I say this or should I not? It's okay, I'll just say it. And this is further worsened when you try to use different colors for different points, like one color for ciri-ciri, one color for faktor, and one color for akibat. When you are doing this, your attention span for the study material is completely gone. Instead, you are focusing on choosing different colors and switching to different colors for different points. Unless you are still in Form 4 and you have plenty of time, and you do that just because you are motivated to study from the colorful textbook. Otherwise, just keep the hassle, and a single color highlight is more than enough. The second mistake is you listen too much. In the school, you listen to your class teacher droning on the topics chapter by chapter, and when you go back home, you feel raging. You again open the YouTube videos, which is basically a talking head that drones on the topics again. It is undeniable that repetition somehow helps in memorization, but study shows that engaging in the learning process is superior than accepting the information passively. So, other than listening to others, you really need to study and also digest the information yourself. The third mistake is that you thought you can read Sejarah like a story. Come on, this is the biggest lie. If you can do that, you won't even open this video. I'm saying this not to demotivate you, but I thought all of us need some healthy and realistic mindset in studying Sejarah. I will talk about this at the end of the video because I don't want to be too diverted away from our main concern today, which is the ways to score an A+ in Sejarah. So watch until the end if you want to know about it. Now I'm going to walk you through the 5 simple steps to score A+ in Sejarah. The first step is to gather the necessities, which are Sejarah textbook, buku latihan that goes chapter by chapter for tingkatan 4 and tingkatan 5, and also a past year paper which you can get online for free. That's all we need. The second step is study with a bigger pictures, aka the summary. For example, for tingkatan 4 bab 1 Tamadun Awal Manusia, you can search in the YouTube for an animated videos on that topic like Tamadun Mesopotamia. They are so interesting that they make me really want to open my Sejarah book and study again. So you do this for 2 reasons. One, after hours of studying, you won't be having an empty mind like we always experience. And the second is, with the visual aids, you are able to recall the information easily. There are some topics where you cannot find the animated videos, so when you come to this kind of topic, choose the most important events and then map out the sequence of events in the piece of paper very briefly so that you have that bigger picture. The third step is study with a purpose. When you are reading Sejarah, always ask yourself why a person reads something. For example, mengapakah masyarakat Athens mementingkan pendidikan? Mengapakah masyarakat lembah Indus membina bandar terajang? And mengapakah saya cinta padamu? Okay, I'm just joking. No, I'm not joking here. up to 75% of questions in Kertas 1 ask for the reason why somebody did something, and there are 40% of the questions in Kertas 2 did the same thing as well. So when you are studying, you really want to make sure you memorize the reason of a person did something and highlight them. Other than mengapakah, you also want to highlight bagaimanakah, ciri-ciri, faktor, and akibat. When you come to a potential essay questions, don't highlight or memorize for more than 8 points, because 8 is the magical number in sejarah. The maximum mark allocated for each question stem in essay questions, aka Kertas 2 bagian B, is only 8 marks, so don't waste your time and efforts. Another thing is, don't bother with the year of a particular event, because you are not going to be tested on this. After you have studied 2 to 3 pages, close the book and question yourself the stuff that you have highlighted as an active recall for the things that you have learned. After you have done with one chapter, we will come to the 4th step, which is assess your understanding with a buku latihan. If you have got the question wrong, that means you have forgotten the highlighted points. So you want to go back to your textbook and underline the forgotten points to show yourself that these are the information that you left behind and you really want to work on them. The 5th step is do the past year questions 2 to 3 months before SPM. By this time, you have already covered all the topics in sejarah, so this will be the perfect time for you to attempt past year questions. After you have checked the answer, do the same thing as you did in buku latihan. Underline the points that you have forgotten and work on them. You want to use your superpower to memorize the facts so that they are within fingertips during SPM. So back to the correct mindset to study sejarah. It is a lot better to accept sejarah as it is, rather than idealizing it as a story and later feeling dejected when you can't read it like a story. Konon. You know, at some points of our life, we just have to do the thing that we don't like to get the things that we like. So have faith and think of the things that you want to achieve to motivate you to study sejarah. That concludes how to get A+ in sejarah. I hope you find this video to be fruitful, and you can always like and comment to let me know. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want more SPM A+ tips, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.